What's going on YouTube? KO from Southern Indiana. Today I wanted to do an unboxing of my aquarium box. This is the first one in my subscription. I just got the freshwater box, even though I have a semi-planted tank. I wouldn't want to get a bunch of stuff from 4 plants, so I just decided to go with the freshwater box. I think they also have a reef box or a marine box for all you who have saltwater tanks. But let's open this up and see what we got. First thing I did was just cut this little piece of tape with a knife, and it just opens up like this. You get a couple cards, enter to win contests, free stuff with orders over a certain amount of money. First thing I got was wafer disc. I actually do need some of them. I'm running low. My corridors, that's pretty much all they eat, except for leftover food from my upper tank fish. Dr. Tim's Aquatics. Got some fish food, seaweed, this is pretty cool. You actually make your own frozen cubes. They give you this little thing. It's kind of like the frozen bloodworms or frozen brine shrimp that you get. I guess you just mix these packs in, stir it up with this popsicle stick, put a little water in it, put it in the freezer. Next thing I got is this black water treatment bottle. I guess if you're wanting to make a black water tank. I haven't really looked much into it, but I'd say it'd be kind of cool if you wanted to do it. Looks like it's got a discus on there. Too bad my water's way too hard to keep discus. Omega 1 Super Color Veggie Kelp Pellets. Small sinking pellets. This will be nice for my cherry barbs especially. They like to swim about low mid water. That's usually where they eat at. They don't normally go to the top of the tank and eat, so they basically just get the crumbs that are left over from my angelfish, dwarf gouramis, and raspberry hets. Maybe if I could throw some of these in there, it'd get to them quicker. Have to try it out. Plankton time release feeding block. This will be nice for my green phantom pleco. I actually feed him the small white vacation blocks. He sometimes eats the algae wafers, but usually my corridoras and even the dwarf gouramis, they get down there and eat on it before he gets a chance to. I can't keep him in the tank, so I just throw one of those in there and I'll see him come out at night and latch onto it. There'll be big holes in it the next day. So I know he's eating well. Can O bloodworms. Zoom Med. This would be really nice for my fish. I often feed them frozen bloodworms, freeze-dried bloodworms. They tear it all up. That's probably their favorite meal. They usually don't take the frozen brine shrimp. I'm not sure why. They'll eat it, but I usually just see it sitting at the bottom of the tank. The freeze-dried bloodworm cubes. And they'll tear them up before they even hit the bottom. And it looks like we got a special package. I actually don't have any of these. I think they're used for cichlids. These would have to be some small cichlids. But pretty cool. I think I may turn my 55 that I have sitting in my garage, getting ready to go up once I get some open room. I might make it a cichlid tank, so this could come in handy. May just put it in my 38 bow for now, just to let maybe the corridors or my pleco definitely won't fit in there. And I think that's it. But yeah, overall, I mean, I'm pretty happy. There's some stuff that I really am going to use and stuff that I may or may not use. Packaging of this box is extremely professional. I did a really good job on it. I think these guys do a really good job of promoting the hobby and just getting stuff out there, products that people are maybe skeptical to try, and then they try and they're like, wow, my fish really take to this. So good job on that, guys, and I can't wait for my next box next month. Until then, thank you and see ya.